Hey everybody, Randy Orton here, Certified Life Master Consultant. Today I want to invite you to a free online webinar on how to create a six-figure passive income using digital programs or digital products. This is awesome. If you haven't attended one of these webinars, you're really missing out. You're leaving a lot of money on the table by not joining us. You need to check this out. Michelle O'Neill, the creator of the program and growth community, she is awesome. She'll be leading the webinar. And make sure you stay to the end because there's some awesome testimonies from people that are making this work that are very successful in doing this. This is awesome. If you want to join me, go to the description of this video. If you're watching this on YouTube or if you're receiving this in an email, you can find the link in the bottom of the email and watch your emails and get registered. Get registered for this webinar. Get registered early. These things fill up fast. Everybody wants to get in on this. There's 29,000 people in the community already, and we've made over $1.5 million. The digital products industry is a $1 billion a day industry. So get in on this today. You are missing out. That's about all I got. I love this program, and I really can't say enough. It's allowed me to retire early at 53. If you want to do the same, have more time with your children, stay at home mom. This is awesome. I'd love for you to join me, and I'll help you build some generational wealth. Have a great day.